In this video, I want to share with you how to make a dynamite roll with ham and cheese. But before we start, we need to buy the following. By the way, I'm Kuya Deso and I upload travel, foods, tutorials, reviews, and other informative videos. If you are new to this channel and do you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified on my next upload. Let's start! Tara! Step 1. Slit the chili peppers. Step 2. Slice the ham and cheese. Step 3. Wrap with spring roll wrap. Step 4. Fry the dynamite roll. Our finished product.
Hanggang dito na muna tayo sa video na ito. At para updated ka sa mga susunod na upload, make sure na nakasubscribe ka na sa channel na ito at i-click ang bell notification. Ito muli si Kuya Des and see for more videos right here.
Subscribe now for more videos.
What's up mga kabago? Don't forget to subscribe. Just click here.
For more videos, please subscribe to Deso channel right here.